Now, what skills are required by accountants as we move into a more tech-advanced profession? That's a really good question. In the realm of accounting, it's no longer sufficient to excel at the age-old practice of debits and credits. The landscape of accounting is undergoing a metamorphosis or transformation, and accounting degrees are becoming reinvented to produce professionals with entrepreneurial spirit and a wider array of cross-disciplinary skills. Now, let me share a little secret with you. I'm far from a traditional accountant. Debits and credits, they don't really come naturally to me at all. Whenever I have to do a journal entry, I actually have to manually picture money flowing into the bank as an asset, triggering a debit. This visual aid helps me balance the transaction with a credit, and I've been doing this for 25 years. Now, to put it bluntly, I'm not a debits and credits junkie, and any of you accountants out there watching this would undoubtedly beat me in a battle of debits and credits. However, I can confidently step on stage and talk about stuff, or face a camera and present ideas. I can tell a story to explain my point usually. I can edit video and audio, write articles, and even select a suite of funny GIFs for a presentation or for a video. I can occasionally inject humour into the typically dry world of debits and credits as well. Occasionally. Now, let's be clear, I may not be the poster child for sound, fundamental accounting skills, but I have invested a large amount of my time in studying and exploring the functional aspects of various other professions. Now, this has provided me with a more holistic sort of understanding of business dynamics and how I can assist in this environment and communicate around it. It's skills like these, an unusual mix of skills that the accountants of tomorrow will actually bring to the table, not just how to journalise a hire purchase agreement, which is something I still really struggle with. Don't just take my word for it either. Observe the evolving recruitment strategies of the big four accounting firms to catch a glimpse of the profession's future. Mid-tier firms are also joining this shift, beginning to look beyond the confines of traditional accounting degrees in their pursuit of the accountants or the talent of tomorrow. Young accountants are attuned to the winds of change as well, the stuff which is sweeping through the profession. They can recognise the value of soft skills such as adept workflow management, seamless team collaboration, and effective client relationship management. The next generation of accountants, they're really aware of the profession's transformation, even if their senior managers and partners find it challenging to admit, comprehend, or even let alone communicate these changes. Now, the changing face of accounting underscores the need for a more dynamic, versatile, and well-rounded skill sets. Debits and credits are no longer the sole markers of success. It's the ability to adapt, innovate, and embrace cross-disciplinary expertise that I think will define the accountants of the future. As the accounting profession continues to evolve, it's no longer just about balancing the books. It's about balancing the old with the new, the traditional with the innovative, and the numbers with the narrative. Now, that's what I think anyway. I also think accountants need to up their soft skill game. What soft skills? Well, that's something I'll discuss next week.